Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison. Today I am participating in the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge that is being hosted by the lovely DIY Mommy. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, then you already know that you're welcome, loved, and appreciated here. So what I'll be sharing with you guys today will be a deco mesh wreath using these 3 circular rings here that were found at the Dollar Tree. They were packaged together, all 3 of them for $1. So I'm just using this pipe cleaner here just to tie them together. And then I am going to go ahead and start creating my wreath. The mesh ribbon here that I am using is 10 inches by 10 yards and it is weatherproof. The color of this mesh is like a cranberry. It is a beautiful color, and I guess because it is the weatherproof, it just has a type of a shine and it's just beautiful. I don't think my camera is going to do it justice, but it is beautiful. When I tell you it's beautiful. And it is the Polypro mesh ribbon from Hobby Lobby, weatherproof, and it says extended exposure to direct sunlight may cause fading and loss of shape. So what I'm doing here, you guys, is just gathering some of the mesh together, and I'm going to tie it underneath the chenille stems. And I'm going to start with the larger ring first, and then I will do the next to the large, and then the smaller ring will be the last one that I will complete my task. So as I complete my loops, I will again tie another pipe cleaner or chenille stem to it, and as I go throughout the ring, I will tie and push to make it tight so that I will have a nice full wreath once I am done. And I usually don't measure out my loops. I just kind of eyeball it and get the look that I want. So your wreath, your way, however you choose to do it. This is just the basics for how you too can get started. And all you need is a wreath or a wreath ring and your chenille stems, your mesh, or whatever you choose to make it out of, and just work your magic. I am actually using these gold chenille stems. One is because it's the only close color that I have that will make it look great, being that I'm going to use the red and gold balls within it. I wish I had a color that was closer to the color of the mesh, but I don't, so I am going to go ahead and use what I have. Look, what I'm going to do is cut them in half, but I actually could have cut them in thirds. I ended up wasting a lot, so just keep that in mind if you decide to create this. You don't need a half of a chenille stem. You could possibly get away with a third. thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you have enjoyed what I have shared with you today and you would like to become a part of my family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And don't forget to go over and check out the DIY Mommy and the other creators. Be blessed and take care until I see you again. Thank you.